So see, when it comes to managing things,
Hmm.
I think first thing to be told is that there are only 24 hours in a day.
Hmm.
You cannot create the 25th hour.
Hmm.
Matter what you try, you can't do that.
Yeah.
So the idea is that you become consciously aware of the fact that every minute that you're spending on anything can actually be spent on five other things. You
Hmm.
might as well make sure that that one thing that you're spending your time on, it is worth its time. And second, you are in that moment. A
Hmm.
lot of times what happens is that you are here and you're thinking about something else that just brings down the productivity. So I'm very particular about how I use my time. It is all about time management.
Hmm.
You have to have a plan right at the beginning of the day. I have a very clear view of from what time to what time what keeps me busy. So there is a time when I am checking my emails. During
Hmm.
that time, if somebody calls me for some office work, I'll probably not entertain that. I'll be like, I have my own agenda for right now,
Hmm.
right? So when I'm with somebody else, I'll just make sure that this is what keeps me busy. When
Hmm.
I'm working out, I'll not take client calls also, because that's the time I have earmarked. There are exceptions, but that's the time I have earmarked for my fitness.
Hmm.
There is time when I have planned for my family. So
Hmm.
the point is that you would want to do so much: family, friends, health, happiness,
Hmm.
work,
Hmm.
clients, people, socialization, all of that. If you don't make the most of every minute that you have,
Hmm.
you will soon be all over the place.
Hmm.
So I think this is one thing that I have cultivated in a big way. That I'm actually consciously evaluating that am I in that moment.
Hmm.
That is number one. And is this moment worth my time? I have
Hmm.
I have made conscious calls. I have been on some calls where I feel like I'm not adding value because I'm just being a listener, which is
Hmm.
not adding much value. So it's okay for me to be not on this call. I'll excuse myself from that.
Hmm.
So there are times when I'm in the workout mode and I'm doing my gym and all. I realize that something else is occupying me. If there is some big steer co coming up or some big client meeting coming up, so then I have to ask myself if this is the right use of your time. If you are
Hmm.
so preoccupied, then you might not be here.
Hmm.
And if you are here, then be here.
Hmm.
And when I say be here, I don't mean physically, I mean
Of
mentally.
course. Hmm.
Mentally you have to be in that moment.
Hmm.
So that is number one. Second, nobody is a superhero. So
Hmm.
forget about that concept of multitasking.
Hmm.
In the truest sense of multitasking, there is absolutely no possibility of anybody multitasking, because the mind can only focus on one thing
One
at a
thing.
time.
Hmm.
Right? So you cannot be saying that while I am on my client calls, I can be thinking about something else.
Hmm.
That multitasking is a bit overrated in my opinion.
Hmm.
You just need to compartmentalize your time allocation, as
Hmm.
compared to saying as opposed to saying that you will do multiple things in that same time. Because
Hmm.
what invariably happens is that you start to overvalue, or put a lot of emphasis on trying to do two or three different things. What ends up happening is that you become so unproductive that
Hmm.
you end up taking more time in doing those three things than what you would have taken, let's say, if you had planned your day properly.
Hmm.
So it's all about time management, I guess.
Hmm.
That's one.
So point is to be as much as in control of your day, and then again reevaluating, as you said, that if you're working out, that was an interesting aspect, because when you started explaining, I thought that okay, this means that you're in control of your day, you plan your day. But this is a new insight, that even if you've planned your day and say you're working out.
Be flexible.
Hmm.
Be flexible. Don't push yourself beyond a point where you are becoming your own liability.
Hmm.
You can't be imposing yourself on yourself.
Hmm.
So you are a human being, you are not a robot. and
Hmm.
and the context that you operate in is very dynamic, is very fluid.
Hmm.
So make the most of your time, and be okay
Hmm.
if at times you have to make some exceptions.
Hmm.
But the point is that you have to be mindful of what you are doing at every point in time. That's the key for me.
Hmm.
If that doesn't happen, then before things start to fall apart.
Yeah,
So,
makes sense. Makes sense. So that is a point to.
and
Yeah.
what I also feel is like a lot of times people are not even aware of where the time is leaking out. And I say the word leaking out.
Hmm.
Sometimes somebody will stop you on the way and they'll be like, do you have a minute for a chat?
Hmm.
First of all, when somebody approaches you, nobody takes a minute for a chat. That
Hmm.
minute for a chat request invariably becomes 25 minutes
Hmm.
or 20 minutes.
Hmm.
So when people have approached me with that kind of a thing, do you have a minute? I tell them that I have a minute, but a minute only has 60 seconds. Are you sure you just need a minute? Because
Yeah.
if you need more than that, then I don't think I have that time, Abhi.
Hmm.
It's okay.
Hmm.
There is no
Makes
offense,
sense.
and I'm not saying it in a negative way.
Yeah.
All I'm trying to tell you is that I have some plan for the day.
Hmm.
In that plan, if you tell me to squeeze in 60 seconds for you, I
I
can.
can.
But if you are getting into my plan on the garb of 60 seconds, hoping that I'm
Hmm.
going to give you 10 minutes, then probably that's not going to happen. So it's
Hmm.
okay to say a no.
Hmm.
You have to be very comfortable with the idea of saying a no. A lot of times people struggle to say a no,
Yeah.
and that eats into their day. A lot of times we struggle to take control of our mind. What happens is that you just take a little bit of a break from something. You open your mobile, you start to look at a reel, and before you know, you have seen 2 reels, and then 10 reels, and then 25 reels, and
Yeah.
that is all unproductive.
Yeah.
So when I was telling you that consciously be aware of every minute, that's what I meant. That keep evaluating yourself. I mean, not in a way that you become like a thinking robot. You're always evaluating, but just being aware that if something is not creating any value, or something is not adding into your personality or your productivity, just check it out. And then sometimes what happens also is that you become so aware of it that you can then plan to create that ecosystem the way we were talking about it. If you know, evening time is a time when, or sleeping time is a time when you have that habit of getting into the reels, keep your mobile away. Create that environment where you have to get up and go to a different room to check your mobile, if that's what you're trying to get away from. If there are a few friends who tend to eat into your time more than what they should be, then figure out a way of staying away from them. So all these are hacks, you know, tricks of the trade to to become masters of your own time.